Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your YouTube videos at once. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon, then go into YouTube Studio. Then once you're on here, you want to go to Content on the left hand side. Then you should have this option to tick this little box here next to video, which will just select all the videos. Then you want to click on More Actions. It should give you the option to delete forever. And then you just click on I understand. Then all you'll need to do is click on Delete Forever, and that will delete all of your videos for you. You can, however, untick one or two videos or however many you want if you don't want to delete them all. Then obviously just follow the same process. So that's how you can delete all of your videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching.